In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unapply a credit memo from an invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you've applied a credit memo to a customer's payment or invoice and need to reverse that action, QuickBooks Online makes it fairly simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to find the customer, open the credit memo, and remove it from the payment it was connected to. To begin, go to the menu on the left side of QuickBooks Online and click All Apps. This is where you can access different areas of your QuickBooks account. From there, select Customer Hub and then choose Customer. This will take you to the section where you can view your customer list and all related activity. Next, find and select the customer for whom you previously applied the credit memo. Once you open that customer's profile, you'll see a list of transactions associated with them. This is useful because it gives you a full picture of invoices, payments, credit memos, and other customer activity all in one place. From the transaction list, click on the credit memo you want to unapply. After opening it, look over to the right-hand pane and click View Payment. This is an important step because the credit memo itself will show you which payment it was connected to, and opening that payment is what allows you to make the change. Now that you're inside the payment record, locate the checkbox for the credit memo. To unapply it, simply uncheck that box. This tells QuickBooks that the credit memo should no longer be linked to this payment. After unchecking it, click Record to save the update. And that's it. The credit memo has now been unapplied from the payment. As a quick tip, after making this change, it's a good idea to review the customer's open transactions to make sure everything now reflects the correct balance. Unapplying a credit memo can change what's still due on an invoice or leave the credit available for future use, so it's always worth double-checking the customer account afterward. This process is especially helpful when a credit memo was applied by mistake, or when you need to use that credit somewhere else. Once you know where to find the customer transaction history and payment details, it becomes much easier to manage these corrections in QuickBooks Online.